And now, the parents.
Come on, kids, come on in here. That's it, right in here, yes. Now, there you go. Honey, come on, Shirley, it's a celebration. You can stuff that thing later.
Oh, it's always such a joy cooking by my family on days like this.
And I'd like to propose a toast to our son Mitch and his better half Karen, who've been going out for, how long now?
2 years.
2 short years, yes. They've been smart. They've taken their time to be sure they truly love each other before they jump into anything as serious as, I don't know, say, marriage. Here.
Mom, Dad, well, we wanted to wait until after dinner, but there's a little matter we'd like to discuss with you.
Oh, and I just happen to have an engagement gift right here.
Well, we've been talking it over, and Karen and I...
Yeah.
We're breaking up. Wow.
Look, we've talked this over long and hard, and, you know, it's just something that I'm not quite ready for yet.
And I'm still just very focused on my career right now.
Well, we've always prided ourselves on being supportive.
Wow.
So if you say this is for the best,
Yes, most definitely.
wow, what wonderful news.
Yes, congratulations. Go ahead, Maureen, make a toast.
Right, my toast. Yeah, a toast. To our not quite ready son Mitch and our too focused on her career or else she'd be our daughter, Karen. Here. Hey, there, single gal, you're still single now. Tonight you'll still be sleeping all alone. We don't pity you, no, not really you. 'Cause your life belongs to no man, it's your own. You've got your friends so dear.
Not to mention your career.
You don't need no guy to come knocking at your door. But we won't make a fuss.
'Cause you inspire us
Like Marl, Thomas, and Mary, Tyler Moore. Hey, you're okay. Oh, and Oscar Day. You got much more than mother ever had. Go home, get some sleep, and pray you do not weep.
Just curl up with some Haagen-Dazs and be glad.
Single guy.
Okay, let's toast.
There, single guy, no need to clarify why a man of your age can't commit. It's fine with us, my son. Just drink, dance, have some fun. We're parents, we support you. Yeah, well, shit. You just lost your way.
Refreshed, confused, or gay.
For once in your life, you've been charity. Oh, well.
So much awaiting you.
So get on with making you. What's wrong with her? She seems like such a nice girl. We don't need to cry. Relax, you happy guy. Adulthood's not as crucial as it seems. Grandkids, we can wait. No need to procreate. Who cares if you destroy your parents' dreams? A career girl, they're inside. You've just been sad. Disappointed. Here's to you.
Thank you.